let's see about Nifty first, and then we will move to new stocks. So as you can see, Nifty had made a new lifetime high, and now it's consolidating around 18,600, 18,500. So we can see some small correction regarding Nifty around 2 to 3%. So that will be better if Nifty holds the 20-day moving average. On a weekly basis, Nifty is very strong since it has made a new lifetime high. So nothing wrong with the Nifty. You can still trade in Nifty if you want. Otherwise, better to trade in the cash with a proper risk management. The next stock is Panama Petro. See, Panama Petro fulfills our all the criteria. The stock has corrected almost 30%, 33% from the lifetime high, that is 350, and now that stock is trading around new lifetime high. So we can see consolidation around 350 to 360, and then we need to wait for some time, and then we can proceed a buying. Our target price will be around 500 in this stock, so you can wait for 500 and then you can book the profit in short term. Next stock is Himadri Chemical. As you can see, Himadri is forming a U-shaped pattern in at the lifetime high, not lifetime high, but yeah, recent high. So you can initiate a buy around this range, that is around 100 rupees. Here you can buy with a target of 150 to 180 in a short term, like 3 months, 4 months you can expect. And why I'm saying 180, because you can see the lifetime high 2018 high is around 190. So yes, you can book profit around 180, 190. And again, if corrections comes, we can start buying. So momentum buying is all about the lifetime high and 52-week high buy. So you can easily make 30 to 50% in these two stocks. The next one is Sugar, where you can make a bigger profit. Cup and handle pattern you can see. The best entry price for you will be around 88 to 90. You can start accumulating here, and you can buy this stock in quantities like 10,000, 15,000 rupees. You can invest if you are a small trader. If you are a big trader, you can buy 100 or 2,000 quantity. The target will be much higher. I am expecting a target of around 180, 150 rupees, because sugar stocks is in definitely momentum, higher momentum. As you can see, the cyclic momentum, which is around December to March, the stock has gained a higher momentum. So we are expecting the same thing to happen here. Almost 90 to 180 we can expect double in just 3-4 months. So let's wait. The consolidation is already happening around 99 rupees, 90 to 100 rupees. So I'm pretty sure the stock is very strong, so that will be best price to buy. And I will post a new video regarding the recent trade I made and how much profit I have made in those stocks.